Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have square root of 25 over 5 minus square root of 24. So here we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we rationalize the denominator term and we write it as square root of 25 divided by 5 minus square root of 24. And because here we rationalize the denominator, so it will be written as 5 plus 24 divided by 5 plus square root of 24. So here we multiply the terms. So here we have 25 times of 5 becomes 125 plus 25 times of 24 square root, and this is divided by, here you have 5 minus square root of 24 and 5 plus square root of 24. So it will be written as 5 square minus 24 square root and its whole square. So its whole square root. Here in the denominator we use here this nice square identity, a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So we have this form is given in this denominator when we multiply these terms. So when we combine these two terms, it will be equals to a square minus b square. So after that we need more simplifications, and here we write this 125 as 75 plus 50, and plus here you have 25 into, we write this 24 as 6 times of 4. We know that 6 times of 4 becomes 24. And here we have 5 square, and we know that 5 square equals to 25 minus these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 24 and its whole square root. And after that we rewrite this equation as 75 plus 50 and plus here you have 25, and we write this 25 as 625 square root, and here we know that the square root of 4 is equals to 2 into square root of 6. And in the denominator we have 25 minus 4 becomes 1 and its a whole square root. So after that here we see here you have 75 plus 50 plus, we just combine the square root of these two terms and we write it as square root of 625 multiplied by 6 and its whole square root. So after that you have a square root of this is 75, and we write this 75 as 75 square root and its whole square, plus here you have 50 and we write it as 50 square root and its whole square, plus this 2 times of, here you write this 625 as 25 multiplied by 25, and we write the 6 as 3 times of 2. So here we need more simplification, and we write this expression as 75 square root and its whole square plus 50 square root and its whole square, plus here we multiply this 25 by 3 and you get here 75, and we multiply this 25 by 2 and we get here 50. And in the next step we just rewrite this equation as square root of 75 square root and its whole square plus 50 square root and its whole square, plus we break the square root of both of these terms and it will be written as 2 into square root of 75 into square root of 50. So here we use another nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So here you have, this is our a, this is our b, so this is our a, this is our b, and it will be equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So we just combine these all term in this form, and we write it as the square root of the whole square root of 75 square root and plus 50 square root and its whole square. So after that, we need more simplification of this term, and here you easily see that these 2 and square root are cancelled by each other, and we get here 75 square root and plus 50 square root. So here we need more simplification, and we write this 75 as 25 multiplied by 3 becomes 75 square root, and 50 is written as 25 times of 2 becomes 50. So in the next step, we just separate the square root of both of these terms, and it will be written as square root of 25 into square root of 3, and here you have square root of 25 into square root of 2. Here we use the nice radical law, and you know about this radical law. If you have a multiplied by b and its whole square root, so we write this term as square root of a into square root of b. So here we use this nice radical law from this term and this term as well. So after that, here we write this 25 as 5 times of 5 square root into square root of 3, plus we again write this 25 as 5 times of 5 square root and square root of 2. And we know that 5 times of 5 is equals to 5 square and its whole square root into square root of 3, plus we write this term as 5 square and its whole square root, and we write this as square root of 2. And after this step, you see here these 2 and square root are gone, and these 2 and square root are gone. So here we use this identity. If you have the square inside the square root, so these are cancelled by each other, and we get the remaining term. So here when we cancel these terms, and we get here 5 into square root of 3, plus here you get 5 into square root of 2. So here we take common 5 from both of these terms, and we get square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So this is our final simplified form, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.